top grades, right? A1, A2, B1. There are more students in grade C who've scored well on those on this exam, and that's greater than the blue curve, which is grade A, and the lowest is the red curve, which is grade B. Right? So it seems like grade C is the best class in algebra, grade A is the second best class, and grade B is the third best class. And if you just scroll down, you're just looking at the geometry data too, it looks very similar. You can see again, it's green is the highest. Blue and red are sort of similar, but you can see that at least in B1 and B2 grades is definitely more blue than red, right? Which means relatively blue is still much better than red. And you see at the bottom there, there's lots of kids who've got red in both E1 and E2 grades. There's lots and lots of kids who've got those grades in the red curve, which is grade B. Right? So the trends seem fairly similar in both the math subjects, green greater than blue greater than red, which is C, A, B. Whereas in science, it's not the same trend. So in science, what we're seeing is that almost all classes are doing pretty much the same on E1 and E2. In fact, grade A is the best class now, no longer grade C, right? Because grade A has also got many kids who've got B1 grade, and then they're sort of just mapping each other. And you see again in grade A, you've got the least kids who've got E2 and E1 grades. Right? Blue is the lowest curve for grade A. So it seems like grade C is the best in both the math subjects, and grade A is the best in the science subject. That's what it seems like. So, yeah. But then we were wondering why that is true. So we thought maybe there's different teachers, but apparently not. It's the same teacher teaching in all three grades, and there's three different teachers teaching the three different subjects. So then we were wondering why that's happened. Because if you have the same teacher, then why is it that one class is doing better on maths whereas the other class is doing better at science? Right? Maybe I don't know what your thoughts are. Maybe you have some thoughts on why that's happening.
Is the reason that the kids are not able to perform equally as in math. So that might be one of the reasons.
So there could be a problem that lies in English and writing English and being able to kind of reproduce.
When you allocated students to grade A, B, and C, was it done randomly, or is there some discrimination with respect to their scores or their grades?
I think it's the random distribution, right? We are not really.
So you have strong kids in every class, and you have students from vernacular, medium, and in every class. Like it's not.
I think it was a randomized set. So I mean, I don't think there's any criteria that we really use to pick kids.